Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into a Realme 9i. Firstly, open your Google application. Then, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose Settings. Then go into Voice option, and here we got our OK Google block, so Voice Match option. And now tap on the switcher to activate your OK Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, click Next, here I agree, and now we must say OK Google, OK Google, and last one, OK Google. And how you can see, OK Google is ready to use. Click Finish. Finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.